Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Benjamin World School. Today we are here to celebrate Christmas Day. I would like to speak on this special occasion, but first of all, I would like to thank our Benjamin World School to give me this opportunity. Today I am going to share with you a few words about this great festival of Christmas. First, I wish you all a Merry Christmas. Christmas is one of the major festival of Christians. This festival is celebrated every year on December 25 all over the world. It is the most important day of the year for which they do a lot of preparation and decoration. They decorate Christmas tree, prepare Christmas cards, gifts, and who can forget the Santa Claus, etc. All this matters a lot on this occasion. Christmas is the season of love, harmony, and celebrations. This is a particular time to celebrate Jesus Christ's birthday. Being a festival for Christians also, this festival is celebrated by everybody with great enthusiasm as well as joy. People light their homes with candles, decorations, and Christmas trees, which is a must for symbolizing Christmas carols are one of the best things or can be said as the best charm of this festival, which is sung in the churches to welcome the occasion festivities. It is essentially Christmas that reminds us that we should stick to the essential aspect of humankind. In other words, during the decoration, we will share, offer the less fortunate, spend time with loved ones, and have a good view of life.
On the eve of Christmas, a midnight mass is considered as the most essential service for Christians, especially for the Catholics. During this, all the family members go to the mass and enjoy a massive feast of different dishes. They also give and take gifts to each other. Moreover, they enjoy decorating churches with flowers and candles, especially for the Christmas Eve midnight mass service.
While Christmas occurs on 25th December, but people start to greeting each other from few days before Christmas by saying and wishing each other in advance. They greet each other by saying Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, Christmas Mubarak or Shubh Christmas, right? By giving gifts to each other and through Christmas cards. Also, they decorate the Christmas tree in the house or in the garden in the main tradition and custom of this festival. They decorate the Christmas tree with lots of colorful orbs and many more decorative items. Moreover, people decorate their homes and churches with candles, electric bulbs, and many more items. Besides the Christmas, they live in the southern part of the India celebrate Christmas a little differently.
They lit some oil burning clay lamps on their rooftops to symbolize that Jesus Christ is the light of the whole world. In addition, they sing a particular song known as the carol singing and perform other rituals in the church. Moreover, there are some places where people follow the tradition of cutting the cake to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. However, Christmas is incomplete with talking about Santa Claus, who comes after midnight through the chimney with a lot of gift for children and distribute it among them.
We can say that Christmas is the most important festival of Christians for which they prepare in advance. Also, the religions in India celebrate this festival with joy and happiness. Moreover, Christmas evokes the spirit, joy, and happiness, and family get together among the people.